Okay. Pregnancy vlog day. What did I say today was? 6 weeks, 6 days, part 2. Part 2. Check in towards the end of the day, how I'm feeling. It's 6:36 in the evening. I drove back all the way down from Seattle today. So since Friday, I have driven like 9 hours. And I do not even like road trips. But we did it. We had a nice time. It is 6:35. Isabel's in the bath. Play-Doh situation to clean up. And I am so tired. Afternoon nausea hit. And I wish I could go to bed right now. So, there you go. That is how the symptoms are hitting. And then as we're coming back in, getting ready for the week, the to-do list, I have my second ultrasound this week, my first official OB, but my second ultrasound this week on Friday. And, yeah, we're just gonna keep on keeping on, because that's what we do. And this is the downside to not having that partner that you would like to have, is I'm doing bedtime, I'm doing dinner, I'm picking up Play-Doh. I'm there when the nights are hard. And when bedtime feels long. And there's no tapping out. There's no tapping out. So, and that's just the reality. That has been my reality as a single mom. And I am more than okay with it. Doesn't mean it's not hard, but I'm more than okay with it, because the alternative was scary. The alternative is terrifying. The alternative made you want to not even have a will to live anymore. So, I am gracious. I'm grateful. I'm thankful that I get to be safe in this house. I'd rather be safe and tired than fake supported and scared.